Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Rose. Today I wanted to learn about the sound of the letter M. The sound of the letter M is I have a lot of things in here that start with sound. Let's learn. The first one is mortar. Mortar. The next one is marker. Marker. The next one is mask. 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 And mug. Mug. Milk. Milk. Mango. Mango. Money. Money. Mountain. Mountain. And mat. Mat. So I want to sing a song about the M sound. Okay, one more time. I want you to say the name of the things by yourself. Can you do it? The first one is, what is it? Can you say by yourself? Mortar. Mortar. And the next one is marker. Marker. This one is mask. Mask. This one is mug. Mug. Milk. Milk. Money. 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 Mango. Mango. Mountain. Mountain. Mat. Mat. Okay, so I will sing a song again. Many mouses mounting, many mouses mounting, is the sound of M. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for listening and see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ